Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm your host Cibi. Today we are going to talk about 5 YouTube ideas for beginners. On first we have Talking Head.
Talking Head is nothing but the content that is created in a room or a studio. Just put camera on your tripod. Use clip-on mic to record the audio. Use slides to enhance your videos. From this, we can create a content. On second, we have vlogs. Vlogs are easy way to create a content. You should not worry about light, mic and all this stuff. And I would say it is an interesting way to make a content because of its moving motion and changing sceneries. And third one is video podcast. This is when you turn on your camera and get a good dynamic microphone. It gives a rich radio voice to start your show. On fourth, we have faceless content creation. You don't need to actually sit in front of a camera, but you can film what you want to demonstrate. Or just take stock footage from internet and record audio like this. On fifth, we have live stream. This is one of the awesome way to create content. In this, we can live stream through our computer. From this, we can create a video content. We don't have to edit our videos. Thank you guys, hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.